it's Riri.
This is Nasia.
Alex.
And we are testing out the snack crate. Do we know what month this is from? We sure don't, because they're slightly behind. However, the last one that I unboxed was delicious. So we're gonna hope that it's delicious again today. And y'all know we always give honest feedback and honest thoughts. This is around $17. You get about 5 to 6 snacks. And the preface of Snack Crate is to try different snacks and goodies from all over the world. So we are gonna dive in. I'm a little scared. I don't even know what this is. This is from Turkey. Here is the little pamphlet. It will give you information and stuff about that country, why they chose the things that they did. But the important part is, how do they taste? This is Cheetos Fistakili. I'm so sorry if I butchered that, you guys. But it is some kind of Cheetos. And we're gonna hope they're good. All right. We'll do them at the same time. Oh, I'm so scared.
I stole 2.
Oh, you're fine. Oh, they smell. Oh, that smells good. Ready?
Kind of like peanut butter.
I don't really know what I'm tasting, but it's good.
It's like popcorn.
Mmm. It does taste kind of peanut buttery. We'll read it in the card. I like that. Mmm. Scale of 1 to 10. I'm a texture person. I love the texture. I'm gonna give it like a 9. I like them. What do you think?
8.
7.
Okay.
She's
like, bitches, that ain't good. Next up, I'm real freaking scared. This is Ochre Crispy Turkey something. But it look hot and spicy, y'all.
I'm gonna die in the first bite. So.
And look.
Oh, don't choke
I
me
like
out,
hot and
Alex.
spicy, but my stomach does not.
I love hot and spicy.
And excuse the lighting. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Oh, let me
Just smell first.
It's like strong.
Oh, I'm scared.
I'm gonna love it.
Now, if it's spicy but flavorful spicy and not just spicy like hot and like gonna burn your asshole later, I'll like it.
It's not spicy, but to me it tastes weird.
It's quite vinegary. Oh, damn. Okay, texture's good and it is quite flavorful. I still feel like I like the first one better. I'm gonna say 7. It's still good.
6.
6.
We agree.
Ooh, okay. We have some Doritos Shots Taco.
Shots.
Shot. We give that a smell. Smell pretty good, y'all. Smell pretty good. They kind of look like, what's the Fritos Twist somethings?
Oh yeah, the Fritos Twist.
That's what they look like to me. Hopefully, let me back up some. Hopefully y'all can hear us okay. I'll just show you up close. Yeah, they are tiny. They're super tiny. I like and don't like them.
They have like an extra taste of something. Either sage or lavender in my mind.
Yeah, there's something that's quite strong in there. They're good though. I don't think I'd buy them from the store. 5, 6.
7 for me.
Not horrible.
I think I
Good
need to
crunch.
move the first one up to like an 8. And this one's a 7.
It looks like we got some sweet stuff now. All right, this is Kit Kat Tat. I'm not even gonna try to say that, but it looks like
It's cat.
oh, Cat. Same thing. Sorry, Kit Kat. Cat Tat, and it looks like a pastry with hazelnut and chocolate, perhaps. Let me check the date on this too, because that last time I got some soda was out of date. Okay, it's not. Okay, much better experience than the first month that I got this box. Ooh, that looks yummy. I can get it out of the damn package. All right, that is what it looks like. And we all did just wash our hands, just FYI. Oh shit, that's gonna go everywhere. It is quite flaky, like pastry dough or something like that.
If we know it has a crunch.
Oh Lord, yeah, that's definitely going everywhere. We got a vacuum on standby, AKA popcorn at our feet. I don't like that very much. It's quite dry.
It's like if you ate those foxtails.
Ugh. That's very dry, you guys. And there's not enough filling in it. Like, it's not sweet at all. Maybe for somebody that doesn't like overly sweet things, I give it a 3. It's not the most horrible thing I've ever tried, but no, I don't like it.
I'll give it a 5.
5. 4.5.
That wasn't a business, y'all. This looked kind of good too. I feel like I had that before though. I'm not even gonna attempt that, but it has an orange or a lemon right there, so we'll see. It's like a cute little cookie tart thing. That is all soaked to my teeth. Ooh, that smells good. That is weird. Let me get this up close for y'all. It's like a jelly inside there. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm getting this everywhere. So I'm guessing it's like a cookie biscuit type thing with some orange jelly with chocolate sprinkles on top. It's okay. Brett would really love that. He loves chocolate and orange together. If you love chocolate and orange, that'd probably be a win. I'm gonna give it like a 6 or 7.
6.
8.
Okay, girl. And then our very last snack, and then we'll go over the deets, is, yep, don't know. I don't even know if that would be sweet or savory. I have no inkling of what the flavor might be. But that's the fun of this, you guys. Are y'all having a good time?
Yeah.
That's the fun of it. Trying something new and different. Oh, it's a whole pack of whatever these are.
Ooh.
Oh, those look amazing. They look nice and toasted. Okay, we're gonna do a sniff test.
Seems savory.
It smells like cheese.
Oh, it does. Is this some kind of cream cheese cracker? That is delicious. Ooh, it tastes like the cheese on wheat, y'all. That's delicious. I'm gonna have to give that a 9. I really like that. I would buy that.
9.
7.
That was really good. Okay. We'll go to our little pamphlet here. It does give you everything about like the culture, the population, things like that. And then it has like a crossword puzzle. I got food in my teeth. I am sorry. All right, we had our crispy, spicy crackers. Why you'll love it. That was these. These crunchy crackers are seasoned with a smoky red pepper called a pul biber, a bold, spicy staple of Turkish cuisine, with a rigid texture and street cart street cart bagel vibes. They are smoky, snackable, and full of flavor. I agree, very, very flavorful. Just not my all-time favorite, but good flavor to them. We were right. The Cheetos peanut, not cheesy, nutty. These classic puffed corn curls are coated in a sweet and salty peanut butter flavor for a unique taste. These are, I really like those. We were right, they were cream cheese. The cream cheese crackers, 2 salty crackers sandwiching a smooth, tangy cheese spread. Classic Turkish snacking with a spreadable twist. These are great. Oh shit. Excuse me, y'all. Woo. This is empty, but just pretend like y'all know what's in there. This was the Cat Hazelnut, a flaky layered pastry filled with a rich nutty hazelnut cream. Light, crunchy, and decadently sweet. Now, maybe if it had more filling in it, and maybe had like, it was too
It doesn't
flaky.
look at all how it looks on the
Yeah, it didn't look like that at all, you guys.
Stingy with the food.
Our little tart was the orange jam tart. Like sunshine in its heart, this beloved Turkish treat layers a buttery crumble cookie base with a swirl of bright, zesty orange jam. That was really good. The Doritos taco shots. Doritos bites with a bold, spicy taco twist, dusted with baharat, a warm, aromatic Turkish blend of cumin, paprika, and savory herbs. Again, not bad. Actually, I mean, overall, I like most of the things. Was that it? I feel like there was something else. 1, 2, 3. No, I guess that was everything. All right, I think overall, I'm gonna give the entirety of the box like an 8. There was definitely some good stuff. I like that there was a variation of crunchy, sweet, salty, all the things. So I'm gonna give it an 8 overall.
I'll give it an 8.
And 7.
Okay. What did you guys think? Like, cool experience? What would you buy again?
The Cheetos.
I'd buy the I'd buy the Cheetos and I'd buy
the orange tartlet
orange
thingy.
tart.
Yeah, that was really good. And these crackers, they're excellent. Like, I haven't eaten dinner yet, so I'm hungry, so they're pretty damn good. We're gonna maybe finish these if we don't go make our subs first. We're eating subs for dinner. What are y'all eating for dinner the night you're watching this? I'd like to know. Thank y'all so much for joining us. We love you all so much for putting out all the love. Let me start that again. When I'm gonna say we're gonna put out all the love. Thank you guys so much for watching. And then I always say
We're putting out all the love.
I should keep this in. We're all bye.
Love it. Bye.
So yeah, we're gonna go eat dinner. We'd like to know what you guys are eating for dinner tonight. Comment down below and let us know. Thank you all so much for being here. We truly appreciate it. I love you all so much. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye.